What do you love about CCS? That will be the teachers, security, and the way na magturo yung mga teachers natin for our children. Then, what is your most memorable experience at Calvary Christian School? Would be the parents, teachers, first meeting. So, ang daming naming natutunan during the meeting. Na-explain sa amin, especially with Dr. Elaine and Pastor Nestor.
And isang pinaka-memorable talaga doon yung inagahan talaga namin kasi maulan. Sakto, nauna kami ang early bird. Sakto, wala kaming payong. Ang premyo namin nun payong, tuwang-tuwa kami. So yun, napaka-memorable pa.
What activity do you love most at CCS? I think all naman ng activities na meron ang Calvary Christian School is maganda. Especially, basta masaya yung mga kids natin. Lalo na yung fun games, intramurals nila, dun talaga na-boost yung happiness ng mga kids with all the nagpa-participate talaga sila. Then, what makes you stay at CCS? I think yung pagturo ng mga teachers and every time na nag-a-attend ako ng event ng CCS, nakikita ko yung bonding between the student and the teachers. That means yung teachers are not just there to teach our kids, but also they are a friend to our kids. So, isa yun talaga. Then the security, kaya sobrang natuwa kami nung nakita namin na meron ganitong school near sa house namin.
Natuto po talaga yung anak namin kasi tuwing nagre-review kami, kunwari exam nila kinabukasan, pag nagre-review po kami, talagang alam niya yung sagot. So yun, nakakatuwa.
Then last is the message. Message namin with all the members or part of the Calvary Christian School is thank you. Looking forward kami for another school year. Zyra will still be part of Calvary.
Yay!
So, thank you so much. And sobrang thankful. Laki ng development ang nangyari sa anak namin. When she first entered Calvary as in communication, zero talaga. So, but now, very jolly, very friendly. So, thank you so much, Calvary Christian School.
Bye-bye!